Hi guys! Today we're making gingerbread men candy cane holders, which make perfect giveaways for the classroom. The supplies you'll need are a few sheets of brown paper, black paper, pencil, pen, a green and red marker, scissors, a hole puncher, candy canes, glue, and also a whiteout pen. To get started, we'll begin by drawing a gingerbread man. Begin by drawing a circle. And then the arms, but you want to make sure that the arms are down. And then draw the legs. Once you're happy with the shape and it's as symmetrical as possible, you can continue by cutting the gingerbread man out. Next, you'll take your gingerbread man and outline as many other gingerbread men as you need. Once you have all your gingerbread man, the next step is to cut slits for the candy cane. Fold it in half . Towards the middle, you'll cut a slit about 1/4 of an inch long. Make sure you cut the slits long enough so the candy cane will fit snugly through without tearing. Now let's make them look like gingerbread men. Take your whiteout pen and use it as if you would use icing. Make an outline around the gingerbread man. Make sure you draw the arms outside of the slits. While that dries, I'll punch out holes for eyes. Glue them in place. Add a mouth. And draw in some buttons. You can write a greeting or a message or your name so they know who it's coming from. And now you have very cute gingerbread men candy cane holders. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more happy crafts.